today we got a major step done, which, we are removing the bathtub here, and we are discovering all this situation with old termites. But we do have a little bit of probably some light ones, so we gotta check everything out. This is what you find when you take a, I don't know, 50, 60-year-old bathtub out, and all the Mickey Mouse repairs that they did before, and they caused some serious problems in the bottom. So we're going to be checking out from the kitchen to the bathroom to the sink and to the toilet. We're going to be redoing the entire plumbing system, all the drainage and everything, so to make sure the arteries and veins and everything from this house, they're not going to take it to a heartbreaking thing, So what do we find out? So this is how this bathroom is looking up right now, okay? And we took off a very heavy iron bathtub, cast iron, and also we got all the windows all ready to go, all the doors. We're gonna put it all together. But you know what? This is what you find. You see, when you do the discovery, a lot of people, they are not making sure that everything is correct. This is what you find. So the people, when you call people and say, okay, put the window for me, they put it in the wrong way. So we got a leak. And this is what it happens through the years. So no wood and termites, okay? So when you have all these things in your house, you are suffering from something that is gonna be very difficult to fix if you don't have somebody that is gonna be doing a good job. That's why, getting a good contractor, getting somebody that is gonna look for you, for your investment, is the most important thing. I can see a lot of, people that are saying, come up and get the business of contracting, and they can manage themselves. That's not going to happen. So if they manage themselves, it means that they are trying to make a lot of money, but they're not going to be caring about you, your home, your investment, your property, your apartments, and things like that. So you got to get somebody that he knows what he's doing, and that is, fighting for you, not just for the money. The money comes because, I do a good job with the crew and everything, but all these things, sometimes the people, they just cover the hole. They don't do the things that they have to be done in order to make it right. So again, when you get a chance, just fill up the form, give me a call, contact me, and we check your property. We check, whatever you need to do. If you need apartment complexes, a new construction, an ADU, a bathroom, a kitchen, or something like that, you will be in great hands. So go to 𝐡𝐤𝐼𝐴.com, fill up the form, get in contact with me, and we do a consultation, and then we start from there, okay? It's gonna be fine. We're gonna take care of you and your properties in the best way possible. Trust me, we can do that for you. Bye, see you later.